Laser vision correction has been used over the years to correct the vision of pilots, whether fighter pilots or commercial airline pilots. When I first went to Germany to pick up our first LASIK system in 2004, one of the biggest LASIK centers that I visited was actually in Munich airport. And that LASIK center was very busy and they were treating many commercial pilots at that time with laser vision correction. So laser vision correction like LASIK had been used for decades now to treat the vision of commercial pilots. One of the largest eye treatment LASIK centers in America was at San Diego Naval Base, where they were treating the vision of fighter pilots. Now imagine you spend millions of dollars to train a fighter pilot and then he develops spectacles. He cannot wear a pair of spectacles inside his helmet because he's a fighter pilot and it will come in the way. Therefore, all these were treated in the San Diego Naval Base LASIK Center, which has done thousands and thousands of such procedures on fighter pilots. So if the procedure is good enough for people who fly a plane at 2,000 and 3,000 kilometers an hour, believe me, it's good enough for us when we're driving a car at 100 kilometers an hour. Now, Smile has taken over from LASIK for all these defense applications. In fact, if you want to be an AVC, if you want to be a special forces operator, you no longer can do LASIK because LASIK to a certain extent can destabilize the eye. You have to do a Smile procedure. Also, Smile has been approved for NASA astronauts. So if you do LASIK, they may not accept you as an astronaut, you will have to do Smile. And Smile is the procedure of choice for naval aviators today and for astronauts as well.